This is being for a vertical video, but it doesn't quite fit. We have grandma, her daughter, and her grandson is screaming down there. It's not quite working out, but so far everything is peaceful. Are you protecting them? Yeah, she's definitely in a protecting stance. She just lost her six-week-olds. Now she 8 and she's guarding what she has left. So much family. Ooh, no, you're not getting in there. Good for you. Yeah. Cuddles? Grandma doesn't want cuddles or scratches. Grandma is still new to this place. Yeah. Still searching the babies. No, we caught them. They got neutered. One of them got a little bit sick. Yeah. Oh. One of them got a little bit sick. And you had too many babies in 3 years. So that was just too much. No, we need to do population control a little bit. We cannot have 6 babies every year. That's not gonna work out. And then have half of them die to disease. No, 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 no. Not a good plan. Yeah, we are sexually way too active. 6 babies per year. 3 of them getting to adulthood. One of them getting pregnant. Thankfully, she gave birth to 5 kittens, but she ran away from small predators, and one after another disappeared. And I didn't get weight. Did she relocate them? If so, where to? There are no predators here that are big enough to get to babies, and I underestimated that even small predators will kill 1 day old baby kittens if they can. And this mummy is very young, and she's very easily scared, and I underestimated that. So that could be 5, but only one of them survived, and I take special care of that one. And that's my life now, taking care of that little baby here. And only visiting mommy every night in a shack in the forest. And sometimes grandma comes with me. She's darling, very nice. Good guard dog. Good puppy. Ah, yes, you can see where she's looking. Well, this is my life now. Feeding him half of the day and sleeping with mommy the other half of the day and watching over the 2 at night. In a locked room in the forest. It's cozy in here, but man, it sure is time demanding. It's good to have more company, other cats, grandma or other cats in the location. One day, Daddy, her son, was visiting. Yes, it's a lot of interest in the family. And one day, neighbors, non-sterilized adult female cat was visiting. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Other cats are not very welcome here. Or they don't dare to enter the woods this deeply. Because it's scary for cats in here. Mommy is observing the forest noises. I'll give her some water outside.